Hello students, this is computer class. I hope you all are studying well at your home. Today we will discuss the exercises of chapter 4 calculator. So all of you take out your book and open page number 46. Let's start. First exercise is choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which button is used to delete the last digit of the displayed number? Suppose we have entered any number in the calculator like 87426. Then I want to delete this last digit of the displayed number 6. In this case, I will press the backspace key of my keyboard. Backspace key deletes the last digit of the displayed number that we have entered. See, I have pressed the backspace key and it deletes the last digit 6. So here the answer will be backspace key or backspace button. The C button is used to clear the whole display and the CE button is used to delete the last entry on the calculation that we are making. Now number 2. Which button is used to recall a number from the calculator's memory? The answer will be MR button. See this MR button, this one. M plus button is used to add any number to the number which is stored in the memory. Now question number 3. Which button is used to clear the last display? So C button is used to clear the last display. Number 4. What is this symbol used for? This symbol is used for division. Next, number 5. What is this star symbol, asterisk symbol used for? This symbol is known as asterisk symbol and this symbol is used for multiplication. You can see this symbol in the calculator here. See, above the minus button. Okay, now we will go to next page. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The M symbol appears after pressing the dash symbol. See, the M symbol in the calculator appears after pressing this MS symbol, MS button, and it disappears after pressing the MC button. So here the answer will be MS symbol. Next, number 2. The dash button clears a number from the calculator's memory. It will be MC button. Next, number 3. The dash button stores a number in the computer's memory. It will be MS button. See, I am showing you. Suppose I want to store this number 8754 in the memory. So I will press MS button. Now this number has been stored in the memory. Now to see which number is stored in the memory, we will use MR button. See, it shows 8754 is stored in the memory. Now MC button is used to delete the number which is stored in the memory. See, I am pressing MC button. Now when I will press MR button to see which number is stored in the memory, it shows us 0 because the number which was stored has been deleted using MC button. So this is how these 3 buttons work: MS, MR and MC. Now next, number 4. The dash is used when a user wishes to erase the last digit entered. To erase the last digit of a number entered, we use backspace button of our keyboard. So the answer will be backspace. Next, number 5. The C button is used to dash the last calculation. It can be clear the last calculation, erase the last calculation or deletes the last calculation. We can write clear or erase or delete here. So the C button is used to delete the last calculation. Now, exercise 3. Answer the following questions. This we will do in the next class. Today let's discuss exercise 4, true false. So, question number 1. Control plus L clears results saved in memory. See in page number 45 of your book. Here it is written, Control plus N shortcut key is used to clear the numbers from the memory. This Control plus L shortcut key does the work of MC button in the calculator. So, the first one is a true statement. Number 2, the symbol M plus saves results to the memory. No, this is a false statement. MS symbol is used to save any number to the memory, not M plus. M plus button is used to add any number to the number which is stored in the memory. Next, question number 3. The key combination Control plus R is used in place of MS. Again we will go to page number 45 of the book. Control plus R shortcut key recalls the number from memory. Means it does the work of MR button, not MS button. And Control plus M shortcut key is used to store any number in memory. It means this shortcut key is the alternative of MS button. So, Control plus M can be used in place of MS button and Control plus R can be used in place of MR button. So, this number 3 statement is false. Next, number 4. Escape can be used in place of C. ESC means escape key. It is located in the top left corner of the keyboard. Here it is saying we can use escape key in place of C button. No, this is false. Next, question number 5. Control plus P key combination can be used in place of M plus. Again let's go to page number 45. Control plus P shortcut key is used to add any number to the number stored in memory, which is similar to the work done by M plus button. So, we can use Control plus P button in place of M plus button. So, this number 5 statement is true. So, now we have completed exercise 1, choose the correct option, exercise 2, fill in the blanks, and exercise 4, true false. We will discuss question answers in the next class. Note down the exercises that we have discussed today in your copy. Take care. Thank you.